Hey everybody, Michael Medvig here, owner of M Factor Fitness and Nutrition. What the heck is high interval training? High interval intensity training, HIIT. Yeah, confusing, isn't it? No, it's really not. And what you need to do is you need to download a timer first. I'm going to show you how to do this on your phone, and that's what this video is about. So get to it, take a look at it, let me know what you think. Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial about high interval intensity timers. Coach Mike here. Did you ever think you'd be watching a tutorial about a timer? Is there any way I could possibly make this thing interesting and helpful to you? I don't know. I'm going to try. I'm going to try for the next couple minutes. Here's the thing. You can see the timer in the top right. This is a picture of my iPhone. What you want to do is you want to use the timer for a couple reasons. Number one, when you work out, any of the workouts that you do, if you want to put more of a cardio element into it, basically you take the workout and you do one exercise, go to the next exercise, go to the next exercise, go to the next exercise. And I'm going to show you how to set this thing up. The beauty of it is you don't have to worry about counting. You just have to go as fast as you can. So this is a great way to increase your heart rate and burn more calories. The second thing, even if you don't want to do the cardio aspect, setting this timer up is going to keep you moving. And this is important when I train large groups. By large groups, I mean like 3 to 5 people, because people end up milling around and you end up wasting a lot of time. If you set this thing, even if you finish your set before the bell goes off, you still have to get ready to do the next set when the bell dings again, if that makes any sense. So let's take a look at this thing. And again, there isn't going to be a whole lot of difference between high intensity timers, whether it's an Android, iPhone, whatever brand you want to get. They're all going to be very similar. So we'll go into this. And if you see here, I'm going to go into options. And let's just go down this real quick. Number of sets. I just put it at a high number. You can put it at however many exercises you want, so it goes off. It really doesn't matter on this. The warm-up, the thing with the warm-up, here's the thing you can do. I put 5 seconds on here, then if you tap it, it allows you to change the numbers. Now, say, and I have 5 seconds on here, just because that gives me time to get over to the equipment and pick up whatever I'm going to be lifting. Here's an option for you. Say you're on a treadmill. You could put this at 60 seconds. That would give you 60 seconds on the treadmill. Go as fast as you can. Then it starts into the interval workout. Or you could even do this as 3 minutes, right? You could do 3 minutes for a step, get off, go right into the circuit. It's just another way to make this thing harder for you. Which is, of course, my job to do this, right? I'm going to make this hard. Cool down, I never worry about. The high interval, let's tap that. Now, if you're a beginner, go 40 seconds. And it doesn't sound like a lot of time, but we're going to be going up in 5-second intervals. And we're also going to be decreasing the rest time. So 5 seconds actually is a lot. So if you're a beginner, program this thing at 40. If you're intermediate, go 45. If you want to be really hardcore about this, go 50. And then of course you press done. Now the low interval, this low interval is going to be your rest time. So if you're just starting out and you don't want to blow up and pass out on the floor, go 20 seconds. Again, the extra 5 seconds is going to be valuable for you. If you're an intermediate, go 15 seconds. And if you really want to blow yourself up, go 10 seconds. So for example, if you do this, this would be an advanced setting. 50 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest between exercises. So your total set length is going to be 60 seconds. And then again, you have these other things down here where you can save this setting. I mean, it's really easy enough to go in and just do it. But anyway, so that is your timer tutorial. Go on your app store. This thing, usually they have a free option. The free option, you can't save the settings. But this is so easy to set up. Why would you even need to? You know, I mean, I bought it. I don't know why. It's like $2, $3, not a big deal. But anyway, use this timer, and especially if you have, you know, say you only have 20 minutes to work out. Use this thing. It's going to help you get more work in less time. So any questions, let me know, and I will see you in the next tutorial. This is Coach Mike. See you later.